Hi friends, welcome back to Decorate Your Life. In today's video, I want to do an unboxing of something that I got from Temu, along with some happy mail that I received. Now, I don't know. This is coming from Christine. She is Shabby Pink House right here on YouTube, and I will go ahead and link her channel in the description area underneath my YouTube video. So I don't know if this is an entry to my spinner giveaway. And in case y'all haven't seen, I am giving this pink spinner giveaway, as you can see, unopened package. Why? Because I have a ton of these. Oh my gosh, if you could see the floor in my craft room right now, it's like like my grandma used to say, hay que subirse las polleras. Meaning you have to raise up your skirts to be able to walk around my craft room because there's stuff everywhere. I'm still in the process, and trust me, it's a process. Okay. So anyways, I don't know if this is, today's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. So I don't know if this is for my giveaway that I'm holding, which, by the way, you have until the end of the month, February 29th, to enter, and I'll leave you with a link to that, all the details in the description area of my YouTube video. And so let's go ahead and open it. And I don't know what it could be. I'm hoping it's an entry. So hang on a second, my computer's doing something funky here. Okay. Because I was in the middle of printing some stock, and I got stacks, yay big, of papers stacked everywhere because I have a couple of new collections coming in the next couple of months. So we're printing and printing and printing. Okay, that goes like that. Okay, so here we go. It's a Valentine. Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh. And Christine, the last thing that you gifted me, I have it right behind me for inspiration. Look. Isn't it pretty? I love what she makes. I want this die. Whatever die this is, I want it. I want it. I want it. And look, it comes with the locket and everything. But this was for the last happy mail that Christine sent me. It's so cute. She makes the cutest stuff. I tell her whenever, if and when I'm on social media and I get to see Christine's pictures, I'm like, oh my gosh, Christine, you make anything and everything look so cute. Because she does. She makes everything look so cute. So I'm going to put this one so you can ooh and ah. Okay, I love what she sends me. And she always sends me the prettiest cards. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh my gosh. Okay. First, let's go with the card. And I love how she always does the little heart over here. And she makes the cutest shabby chic cards. And what I do with her shabby chic cards that she sends me, well, with cards that people send me, I collect them. I put them away in a box. Years later, what I do is I use them to make flip pages and stuff for a mini album. And I did that with some of Christine's cards because she sends everything in pink. So yeah. Oh, look it. I could use it. I could use it to send it to somebody. Look how pretty that is. And so let me put this down here. And it says, oh, look, my hands are shaking. It's because of the meds. Hi, Sandy, thinking of you and wishing you a happy Valentine's Day. And I got it today on Valentine's Day. You're always in my prayers. Love you, Christine. Shabby Pink House. Feel free to share and pass along. Well, thank you. Now, you didn't mean the chocolates, did you? Because, I'm kind of stingy when it comes to chocolates. I don't share. Okay. Oh my god. I love the way she. Oh my goodness. I love her packaging. Look at how pretty. Okay. So. sorry about my voice, guys. I know it's doing something really, really weird. It's like, there is a term for it. When it sounds like you have two voices coming out of your throat, and that's what it's doing now. And there's a technical term to it in which when my voice starts doing that, I have to go back to voice therapy. Oh my gosh, I love chocolate. So that's why my voice is sounding the way it is, because it's doing the double voice. It's like, my voice is trying to come back, and it comes out of my vocal cords, and then it feels like it comes from like underneath it, from my throat, like down in my throat, because I feel it's weird. I feel the vibration that you hear coming out of my voice, that rasp, I feel it vibrating. So it's so weird. Anyways, look at this. How cute is this? Oh my goodness. It's so awesomely cute. I would also like to, nope, it's a different dye. And she used very thick, the heavy duty. I wonder if this is the extra heavyweight cardstock from Hobby. Okay, the video cut off, but I love to add dangly items to things that I make. See, I made this a while back. I think about a year ago. I should give it away. Okay, so anyways, I love making stuff like this. And a lot of the beads that I have been buying are silicone type beads like these, you know? And so what I want to do with this is I want to drill, okay? Drill something in, and then I got me these cute little eyelets. I don't know what they're called. Okay, it doesn't say, just to keep plastic bags away from kids. But I got these eyelets. Okay, these tiny little eyelets. Now, what I just realized is, how am I supposed to do this? Porque soy más tuerta que nada. Means I'm blinder than blind, okay? Sandy, what were you thinking? Okay, it just dawned on me that I can hardly see it now. I'm subjecting myself to working with tiny little pieces. Okay, this thingamabob, whatever, is supposed to hold the stuff in place. Okay? I don't even know how it works, but anyhow, this is supposed to hold the stuff in place so that you take this, excuse me, let's see, you take this mechanism, it's a drill, okay, and I can just hook it up to something over here, but, oh, okay, that's the on-off button. And these are the drill bits or drill heads. See how tiny they are? So that I can drill holes in these tiny little embellishments and add these tiny little things that I can hardly pick up and put them in there so that I can use them as dangly items. Okay. I really love to make my life difficult, don't I? So I've ordered, this is just part, I've ordered like hundreds of items like these. No kidding. Because I started buying them like this, and I was like, oh man, you know what? Sometimes the ones that I really, really love don't have the little screwy thing. And I said to myself, you know what? Let me just buy the stuff so that I can make it right. I mean, how hard could it be? And I'm just realizing just now that, oh yeah, I get them at these. What did I'm putting myself through, because these are tiny little things that I'm going to have to work with. And so anyways, yeah. Has anybody ever worked with something like this? And would you be interested in me making a video while I fumble my way through this? So anyhow, that was my unboxing of this Temu thing, and my unboxing of this beautiful Valentine's gift from Shabby Pink House. And so, yeah, I have another video coming out tomorrow. I still have to make a video for Spellbinders. They asked me to make a video for them, so I have this stuff, and I gotta look for my machine. I can't find my machine. It's ¿cómo se dice la plancha esa? Anyways, I put it away. I'm putting things away in such great places that when I need them, I forget where they are at. So anyways, yeah, as soon as I find that Spellbinders platform thing, I can make my project and make my video. So yeah, be on the lookout for that. Be on the lookout for my video tomorrow. Oh my gosh, it's such a special video. Okay, and the one after that too. So happy Valentine's Day to all of you who are celebrating it. And even if you don't celebrate it, happy hump day. That's what they used to say in the radio stations in New York when I used to live in New York back in 1980 something or other. Okay, so I'll see you once again real soon. Thank you so very much, and have a wonderful rest of the week. Bye bye. Thank you, Christine. Love you so much, girlfriend. Mwah. Bye.